Good morning. So this will be my garden update after the rain the entire night. These are the peppers that I am experimenting right now. I'm trying to see if this will going to work. Planting in this container here. And this will be a banana pepper and a habanero pepper. And this will be my sweet potato and my potatoes. That's the sweet potato. That's the purple yam right here. And then I got me some potatoes. And in the side of the garden, I have me some winter squash and a spicy peppers in here. And on the other side, I got my yard long beans. They're thriving after the rain, which is good. And on this side, I have my yard long beans as well, along with the different kinds of tomatoes. I have the cherry tomatoes and I have the beef tomatoes, the big one right there. They're thriving after the rain. In this side, I'm trying to plant a sweet potato and see if it's already going to work. And I have my eggplants in here. They're thriving really good. Look at that. And it's raining again. And I have my onions in the side. And this is my calamondin. I thought this one is going to die after this no January this year. And my grapes, some of them are not doing well, especially that one and that one. But I am still happy that this is still growing. And I have me my 3 blueberries. There you go. And in this side, I really thought that this avocado is not going to grow back. I used to plant this on the ground on this side, but after the snow this year, I thought this is not going to work. So I pull it out, and after I pull it out, I can still see live roots. So I planted it back on the pot, and there it is, growing back after the snow. And now let's go inside that fence. These are my okras. I put it here because of I planted this from the seeds, and I want the plant lights to help it grow quicker. I'm growing more peppers, spicy peppers, because of I'm trying to make my own hot sauce. And I have my winter squash in here, and I have more yard long beans in here as well. The reason I cut more leaves in here or take off the leaves, look at that, it's because of I want the air to circulate in the side, since this is I planted it behind the fence, and air is really not good in here, so it's better to circulate it better. And I have made my sunflower in here, the giant one, and under that one I have the asparagus, that, and then that one right there. The other one, I don't know if the other one is going to grow, but that's it. And I have my lemongrass. And everywhere in this in the side of the yard, the flowers are growing everywhere because of the flower that I planted last year. It's pretty much everywhere. Look right there, right there. They're everywhere. So that is my garden update after the rain last night. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.